Welcome to Desert Hills. Where are you at?
We are in the Carlo&Seb outlet, and yeah, now we will start with the technical clothes. But next we will try to look to find some other ones.
Technical pause. Still a lot of people. No social distancing, but they have masks, so that's good. So let's see what we'll get today. We'll try that later, but there's a long line. It's new, they just opened. So let's see. It's next to the Calvin Klein. Oh yeah, and next to Carolina Herrera. So we're just gonna check what's inside. Yay! From Christian Louboutin, the one from the outlet at the Desert Hills outlet mall in Cabazon. So this one, here's the box. It's just a small one. It says here it's a calf banquise metal Louboutin. So here in the bag there's the receipt. So this one is supposedly $344, but we bought it for about $206. So yeah, that's that. Then so here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Ta-da! So here's the dust bag, and then this one is the care instruction of it. So yeah, so that's that. And then this is the nice Louboutin dust bag. Are you ready for this? 1, 2, 3. Dun, 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 dun. So this one is the iridescent Louboutin wallet, pocket organizer or something like that. So yeah, so this is the back with a shoe print in there, the red bottom, and then the Louboutin lettering on that. It does have 1, 2, 3, and 4 card slots and an opening in the middle. And then this one you will see the made out of where is it? Made in Italia. There you go. So yeah, I really like this one because it's unique. And then this is our first Louboutin wallet, our first item from Louboutin. And then we had like 50% off on this one. Or how many percent is this?
I don't remember.
340 to 208.
Like 30?
Yeah, 30% off. So 30% off. So if you have a chance to go to the Cabazon outlet, to the Desert Hills premium outlets, you should go and visit, and then visit the Louboutin in there. They have a lot of stuff. They have a lot of shoes with red bottoms, of course. And then yeah, so thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel. Do what makes